Welcome back to another episode of One Chad Daily. Today we are sitting at this beautiful 4-bedroom house in Pompano Beach with 97 feet on the water. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, so we are going to pop a drink. This beautiful estate has 97 feet of waterfront, room for your boat dock, and an infinity edge pool. When you're here, you don't wear shoes because on hot days, we just splash around here before our splash deal of the week. Look at all the seating, lounge chairs, bars, cushions. This is an entertainer's dream home with access to the inside with collapsing hurricane-proof doors. One of my favorite parts about this kitchen is the 6-top gas stovetop. This is a kit. If you like to cook, if you're a chef, this kitchen has everything. Boom, boom. Look how big. Look how big. 2 full-size French door refrigerator and freezer. Oh, there you guys are again. I was looking for you. I was head deep into one of my new favorite books. But look at this room. No TVs here, so you can enjoy the waterfront, a drink, and reading your book. Hello, hello, hello. As I get to look outside, I'm coming up with great ideas for my next house. Sit next to the fire, have a good music, and a little light reading. You can really see the water from everywhere in this house. Full price, no inspection. I think the seller is going to love this deal. Now let's go take a nap. I love this water view from everywhere. Nothing like a little bit of light reading in my Stephen G. decorated master bedroom and bathroom. And I can still see the water. Archie, you always get into so much trouble. Oh, you make for a great nightcap in this standalone bathtub with dual sinks and a walk-in shower. This puts the class in classy. Now let's go check out where the kids do their reading on the other side of the house. That magic is really in Hogwarts Library. Oh, I think I gotta go to the bathroom. Thank God there's a full bathroom right here. I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. This place is fantastic. And in case you were wondering, more speakers in here for the surround sound through the whole house. They don't have any nautical themed anything in this book. Good thing we have our nautical themed room here for any guest or kid that you're waiting for. I love the blue and white. Kind of goes together like Sotheby's. Let's check out what they got going on in the last bedroom. I think this Harry Potter is really getting to me. Did I say last bedroom? I found one more secret bedroom after this. This we like to call the princess room. It's just dripping in crystal. You just saw bedroom 3. Just like Harry Potter's, there's secret doors everywhere. And now we're in bedroom number 4. Ceilings got higher, beautiful windows. And if you notice, we're on a cul-de-sac, so you're not gonna have people driving by your house overly fast. I just finished part 1 of this 2-part finale of Harry Potter. I've got my ginger beer, and I'm ready to call this my splash deal of the week. If you want more information on this house, leave a message below, and I'd love to show it to you. Just to recap, this 4-bedroom, 96 feet on the water, infinity edge pool home is our splash deal of the week. Woo, refreshing nighttime swim. You could be doing this soon as well. Can't wait to show you the home.